Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about that solid state, unit number 6, page number 187, packing efficiency. How can you calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic arrangement? Now we can discuss about that packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Please all of you look the figure here. This is about one of the simple cubic arrangement. Okay. There is some free space between the sphere of the single layer and the sphere of the successive layers. The percentage of total volume occupied by this sphere gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. How can you calculate the packing efficiency of the simple cube arrangement? Means first we have to write one formula. What is the formula means? Packing fraction. Otherwise, we can say efficiency. Efficiency is equal to total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. Spheres in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell into 100. Let us consider the cube with an edge length A. Cube means all of you know that on the edge length A. Volume of the cube with the edge length is equal to L into B into H. All of you know that one. That is A into A is equal to A cube. A into A is equal to A cube. R is the radius of the sphere. So, A is equal to 2R. R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to what? A by 2. Okay. Now we can write about that volume of the sphere with radius. Volume of the sphere with radius. One of the formula. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. All of you know that one. R is equal to A by 2. We can be written as that is equal to 4 by 3 pi. What is the value of R? A by 2. A by 2. Here is cube. Am I right? Cube. Make it cube here. So, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3 pi. Here I am going to write like that. A cube. That is A cube means A cube divided by 2. I am going to write means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Am I right? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8. Am I right? 8. This 4 and this 4 I am going to cancel here. So I am writing here 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3. Here 6. So we get pi A cube divided by 6. Pi A cube divided by 6. We know the simple cubic arrangement. Previous video I told that in simple cubic arrangement, the number of sphere belongs to a unit cell is equal to 1. Am I right? 1. I explained about the simple cubic. Its value is 1. So the total volume occupied by the sphere is in simple cubic unit cell. The spheres in simple cubic unit cell is equal to 1 into, here the 1 into pi A cube divided by 6. 1 into pi A cube divided by 6. This is about the equation 2. The formula is about the equation number 1. Okay. This is about the equation 2. The formula. We then learn about the formula. Formula is equal to equation number 1. Dividing equation 2 by 1. Equation 2 by 1. We can be written as packing efficiency is equal to packing, otherwise, sorry, packing fraction, not packing efficiency, packing fraction is equal to pi a cube divided by 6 divided by the a cube into 100, because the formula is a cube, am I right? Into 100. A cube I'm going to cancel here. So wow, what is the answer here? 100 pi divided by 6. So here we are using a pi value is about 22 divided by 7. Okay, 22 divided by 7. We have two values about the pi. One is about the 3.14. We have to use it 22 by 7 into 100 and also 6. Okay, 7 into 6. Here 6 and 22 I am going to cancel here. 6 and 22 I am going to cancel here. 6 means I am writing 3, 22 cancelling in right 11. So 1000 into 100, 100 into 11 is equal to 1100. 100 into 11 is equal to 1100 divided by 7 3s are 21. If I am dividing, I get the answer is 52.38%. 52.38%.